In this episode, I'll briefly cover supplements that you can use to support your child's immune function. So, in terms of the vitamins, vitamin A, C, D, and E are important nutrients for the immune system. Also, vitamins B6, folate, also known as B9, and vitamin B12. You can also use zinc, that's another very important nutrient for immune function, iron, selenium, and acetylcysteine. This is great for detoxification as well. Glutathione, which is the master antioxidant in the body. Talked about it before. Probiotics can also help to positively modulate the immune system. And during certain periods, you can use garlic or garlic extract, such as allicin. It's called allicin. During kind of times where there's like an outbreak, like a flu or something like that, you can support your child with allicin, garlic extract, or any other herbs that have antipathogenic properties, which I'll cover in a separate episode. So that's just a quick little one on immune function, how to support your child's immune function. And thanks for listening, and I hope to see you on the next one.